Domino is a unified platform for end-to-end AI, which makes it uniquely positioned to report and manage compute and storage costs for building and operating AI economically. I'm excited to announce Domino now offers comprehensive visibility and detailed controls for actionable cost management. I've just received an alert from Domino that my AWS bill for my organization is way higher than it should be. Let's dig into this. I can click through from the alert and see the new cost reporting dashboard that gives you fine-grained visibility and attribution of your AI infrastructure costs, including compute and storage. Domino automatically tags all cloud or on-prem resources with metadata such as the associated model or project, the user, or even the organization within your company if you want to do chargebacks. Here I can see the bone density research project drove nearly 5 times more cost than the next most expensive project. And when I click into that, I can see that James spent a lot on GPUs. This is an important project, but I can't let costs go rampant, so I'm going to take advantage of our second new feature, budgets. I can click through right here to configure the budgets and alerts. Domino now lets me put in place budgets for compute and storage costs. I can set a default for everyone, and then override that for specific teams, projects, or even users. As you saw earlier, I can get alerted when my organization's spend is running hot, and I can configure alerts per team or per project to be effectively notified when they're getting close to their budget as well. With these exciting new controls in place, you can rest assured your team isn't going to blow the budget. With Domino, you can build and operate AI economically.